Hey everyone, my name is Ryan, and today we're going to be installing the Lasermax Guide Rod Laser into a Glock 17. So the first step, we're going to lock and clear our weapon, ensure that there are no bullets that are going to make things go boom. Then we are going to take our slide off. Okay, so we're going to mainly be using our frame and our guide rod. But go ahead and take your guide rod, put that off to the side. Next, we're gonna take our beautiful box provided by Lasermax. Instructions, we don't need that. We're gonna need this tiny box and your new guide rod. Inside this tiny Lasermax box are gonna be the tools that we need for the replacement. So you're gonna get a little baggie. Inside your little baggie, you're gonna have a little guide rod, your slide lock spring, and your new slide lock. You'll notice it's indicated by the little colors on the side. And that's what comes in this kit, in a little laser sticker, if you choose to use that. So first step, we're gonna remove the factory slide lock and the slide lock spring out of the Glock. Slide lock, which is this right here, and then that silver piece, the slide lock spring. It's a very easy removal process. Simply take your guide rod. What you're gonna do is push down on the spring, and it should fall right out. And then to remove the guide lock spring, what I like to do is there's gonna be a little gap right here. You can just get that thing underneath, and it should just pop right out. Next, we're just gonna reverse that process. So you're gonna take the guide lock spring and you're gonna put it back in where it needs to go. It's a little tricky to kind of get in there at first, but it should just press right in afterwards. Like so. You can get your new slide lock. You're gonna make sure the colors are gonna be facing you. Go ahead and press it in there. And to install this, all you do is push down on your spring. Just to slide right in. Notice the color mark indicators right there. After that, you'll be all set with your frame. Next for the slide, we've already removed the guide rod. So we're gonna put in the new Lasermax guide rod. So obviously the laser looking end, it's gonna be facing it right here. There's a trapezoid looking piece. It's gonna go the longer port down and just put it in like you'd put in a guide rod. And you'll know the laser will activate. It'll turn off once we attach the slide to the frame. Attach everything. You'll notice the laser turned off, which is good. To activate our laser, you're gonna push down either on the right or the left side. So it's really easy to turn on. And let's go ahead and do a functions check. It's all working, we're good. In your last step, go ahead and take your factory parts and just keep them in the bag is the best thing to do. Use that guide rod, you can use that for later. And go ahead and put that back in your box. Go ahead and put everything back in the box and keep your stock parts in case either the laser breaks or you're done with the laser and you just want to go back to your stock guide rod. But that's it, it works. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully it was easy to understand. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot a message. If not, have a great day.